Hi guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to talk about the hows and whys of self-cleaning the oven. You know, how to self-clean it and when to clean it too, guys. We want to do this after the holidays. You know, we want to do it, a couple months after because you're going to use it throughout and we don't want any hiccups. Like if you do it, December 23rd, we don't want anything happening, that might, offset your holiday cooking, whether it be, shorten the board or, if you forget to take your racks out, they'll bend and things like that and you won't get an even cooking product. So guys, refer to this video after the holidays. But for now, let's talk about the self-cleaning, all right? Let's open the oven here. And depending on your make and model, this is the Thermador. So we're gonna actually take out all the glide racks. So we'll just slide this guy right out, nice and easy. Put that over here, you get a few of those. We don't want those because the ball bearings in here will melt and they won't glide after a while, okay? These you can just put in your sink and soak, use a magic eraser, use some barkeeper's friend, things like that. So now the oven has a bake element that's, covered. So what we want to do is we want to just take a scrubby and we want to take off any little bits and pieces that are on here. Anything that's food cooked on, anything that we can wipe out. Use a mild soapy water, things like that. And then you want to make sure you want to get the door and anything else that's stuck on. Be mindful though, I tell everyone, of this fan right here. The little vent, the little cuts right here. If you get any liquid in here, it will leak into your door and streak. There's a few panes of glass here. That's no bueno, so be mindful of the water here. So we're just going to want to wipe this out. And then any excess we want to wipe out because it'll burn. That's really where you get a lot of your smoke. If you just hit self-clean right now, it's going to smoke up and your kitchen's going to smell a little gnarly. So this is a key step, okay? Once this is nice and clean and a little wiped out of all excess, we're going to go to the self-clean depending on your make and model, guys. This says clean modes, okay? And now hit self-clean here. Now the self-clean's here, and this has an option for an easy clean. This easy clean is the lightest setting. This is for like light soil, things like that. Really nice and easy. So I prefer the easy clean, but if you're gonna do the big self-clean, you'll hit continue. Low is 2 hours, medium is 2.5, and high, which I never use high. I like to stay away from it. I like to stay in the low range, and then we'll hit continue on this guy, and it'll tell you remove all the accessories and loose food soils. Chef already told you that, so you don't need to know that, but it is good to have. And now you would just hit start, and the oven will run its cycle. Okay, door locking in progress. It'll walk you through each step, and now we're gonna run through a nice 2-hour clean cycle on this. And when this is finished, we're just gonna wipe it all out, okay? And it should be ready for, our next, endeavor in our oven. So thanks, guys. Here's how to clean your oven, and then when not to is key. So thank you.